Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, grade 3. Today is your English class. Today's topic is simple present. What is simple present tense of verbs? We use the simple present tense when we want to talk or write habits or routines, when the action is in the present tense. When we have to write about an action which is in present tense, then we have to use simple present tense. We have to write it very simply. For example, copy and complete the sentences with is, am or are. To make sentences into simple present sentences, we usually use is, am or are to make it a present tense. For example, number 1, Javeria dash a cycling champion. So here we will write Javeria is a cycling champion. Number 2, we dash interested in sport. So this will be we are interested in sport. In this way we can make these sentences into simple present tense. Question number 2. Choose a verb, change it to correct form and complete the sentences. Over here, you're given 3 verbs: go, come and eat. These all are verbs. Now you have to choose one of them and complete the sentences given below. For example, she dashed to college in the USA. Now we cannot write she go to college. We have to use its correct form, that would be in present. So we will write she goes to college in the USA. Second sentence is she dash a lot of bread and potatoes. We cannot write she eat a lot of bread and potatoes. If we want to make it a simple present tense sentence, we will write she eats a lot of bread and potatoes. Our second topic is have or has. What is the difference between have and has? Have is used with the pronouns I, you, we or they. It can also use with pluralized nouns, right? So we can use have with you, we, they or I. But what about has? Has is used with the third person singular. Has can only be used with the singular person, that's it, or the third person. We're talking about someone who is not present there or the third person, then we will use has. It can also be used when you are referring to someone by name. For example, Javeria has a big car. We cannot write Javeria have a big car. If we are talking about someone by taking their name, we will use has. Punctuation or speech marks. What are punctuation or speech marks? We put speech marks around the words that people say. For example, I am a cyclist, said Javeria. Over here, Javeria is saying that I am a cyclist. So we have put punctuation or speech marks around this. These marks are also often called quotation marks. Question number 3. Write the words which each person said. For example, good morning everyone, said Mr. Bashir. Now what has Mr. Bashir said? Mr. Bashir has said good morning everyone. So we have put punctuation marks around it. Now we have to rewrite only that part which is within the punctuation marks. Second is, where do you live now? Asked Iman. So our question is, where do you live now? We will rewrite that sentence which is written within the punctuation marks. Question number 4. Rewrite these sentences using speech marks. Now in this example, I love cricket, said Junaid. There are no speech marks, right? But we know what has Junaid said. Junaid has said that I love cricket. So we will put punctuation marks around I love cricket. Now we have to write these sentences in correct order. You have been given 6 sentences and you can see that 3 of them are questions and 3 of them are answers. So they all are scrambled. We have to write them in a correct order. For example, let's take a sentence or a question from these 6 sentences. When did you start to play cricket? You can see this sentence written up in these 6 sentences. When did you start to play cricket? This is the question, and now we have to pick an answer from these sentences. I start playing at school. This is a correct order. In this way, you have to write these 6 sentences in a correct order. Let's come to our today's homework. Our today's homework is do page number 8, language question 1 on your book. Do page number 9, question 2 and 3 on book, and question 1 on your notebooks. Do page 10, question 2 of punctuation and question 1 of writing on your notebooks. You have to write date and day, your topic and your activity, and you have to do your work very neatly. That's all for today. Thank you.